RYOBI 80V HP 54-inch lithium electric zero-turn riding mower assembly guide. Tools needed include a torque wrench, a socket wrench with 12mm and 14mm sockets and 6mm hex bit, and a tire pressure gauge. Unpacking. Cut the small zip ties securing plastic covering and remove the plastic covering. Remove boxes containing loose parts, assembly hardware, and documentation. Remove and set aside all accessible packaging and wrap from unit and parts. Remove the bolts securing the corner and side braces to the frame bottom, then lift the braces to remove. Cut the nylon straps securing the front and rear wheel axles to the frame. Do not discard the packing material until you have carefully inspected and operated the product to your satisfaction. Inspect the product carefully to make sure no breakage or damage occurred during shipping. If any parts are damaged or missing, please call 1-800-525-2579 for assistance. Installing the seat back. Remove the bolts from the nuts fastened to the seat bottom frame. Place the seat back assembly over the outer edges of the bottom frame mounting brackets and align the holes. Allow the tab on the seat back to rest against the bottom frame to assist in the alignment. Thread the bolts into the nuts that are fastened to the bottom frame, hand tighten each bolt, then tighten further with the provided wrench. Seatback has been shipped with installed bolts that have been left loosened to aid in bracket alignment. Once the lower two bolts are installed, tighten all three bolts on both sides to 40.5 foot-pounds. Installing the joystick. Insert the joystick through the dust cover. Align the holes on the joystick to the holes on the mounting shaft. Insert the hex screws and tighten securely with the included hex key. Align the tabs on the dust cover with the base and press down to lock the dust cover into place. Installing the towing plate. Align the holes in the towing plate with the holes in the rear crossmember. Install the two hex head bolts and tighten securely. Setting the parking brake. Place the joystick in the neutral and locked position. Fully depress and hold the brake pedal. Press your foot forward and fully depress the parking brake with your toes. Release the brake pedal. To release the parking brake, depress and release the brake pedal. Setting the cutting deck height. Before using the mower, raise the deck height to the cutting position best suited for your lawn. To prevent scalping the lawn when encountering high spots, the cutting deck wheels should be positioned approximately a ½ inch off the ground when the mower is at the desired cutting height. Depending on your desired cutting height, you may need to change the position of the cutting deck wheels. To adjust the cutting deck height, stop the mower and disengage the blades. Turn the key to the off position and set the parking brake. To raise the cutting deck, grasp the deck height adjustment lever, push left to disengage from slot, move toward the back of the mower, then push right into the slot to secure. To lower the cutting deck, grasp the deck height adjustment lever, push left to disengage from the slot, move toward the front of the mower, then push right to secure into the slot. Hold the deck height adjustment lever firmly when setting the deck height, and only release when it is secure in the desired slot. Quickly letting go of the lever may create a pinching or pulling hazard to operator's hand. Once you have determined the correct cutting height for your lawn, install the auto stop plug just below that position to easily return to the correct mowing height every time. Connecting the 80-volt batteries. To connect the 80-volt batteries, place the joystick in the neutral and locked position and put the unit in park. Adjust the seat all the way forward. Press the center edge on the 80-volt battery compartment cover to release the latch. The cover will raise to gain access to the compartment below. Install the battery pack's quick connect plugs. This plug connects the batteries to the mower. Lower the lid to the battery compartment and press on the center edge to engage the lock. Installing and removing 40-volt batteries. To connect the 40-volt batteries, open the 40-volt battery covers located on each side of the mower. Raise the battery from the port. Remove the foam ring from the bottom of the port. To reinstall, align the raised ribs on the battery pack with the grooves in the battery port and install the battery pack in the mower. Make sure the latch is securely locked into place. Make sure the latch on the bottom of the battery pack snaps in place and the battery pack is fully seated and secure in the mower's battery port before beginning operation. Lower the battery cover and make sure it is closed securely. Repeat these steps for the other batteries. Checking tire pressure. Check the air pressure in all tires before use. Improper air pressure will affect handling, steering response, traction, tire life, level cutting, and operator comfort. Tire pressure should only be measured or adjusted when the tires are cold. Adjusting the seat. To move the seat forward or backward, turn the key to the off position and set the parking brake. Sit down on the seat and lift the seat adjustment lever. While lifting the lever up, slide the seat to the desired position. Release the lever and make sure the seat is locked in position before operating the mower. To adjust the seat suspension, turn the knob left or right. Adjusting the armrest. Both armrests adjust up and down for the most comfortable operating height. The left armrest also adjusts forward and backward. To move the armrests up and down, turn the key to the off position and set the parking brake. Remove the 2 bolts as shown. Raise or lower the armrests to the desired height, making sure both bolt holes are still in alignment with the holes in the seat frame. Reinstall the bolts and tighten securely. To move the left armrest forward or backward, turn the key to the off position and set the parking brake. Loosen the knob and adjust the armrest to the desired position. Tighten the knob firmly to secure the armrest in place. Driving the mower off the crate. The mower should be assembled while positioned on the frame bottom. Once assembly is complete, raise the cutting deck to its highest position, position a ramp next to the frame bottom, release the parking brake, and slowly and carefully drive the mower off the frame. Press the low-speed drive button and carefully move the joystick and/or press the brake pedal as needed to control the speed. Do not exceed the maximum recommended operation angle of 15 degrees. If no ramp is available, slowly and carefully drive the mower off the frame in reverse while looking down and behind. Charging the mower. Mower batteries must be fully charged before the first use. To verify mower batteries are fully charged, check the battery level indicator on the batteries or the charge level on the battery bay monitoring screen on the LCD. Plug the charger into the wall before plugging into the mower. Connect the charger to power supply using normal household currents of 120 volts, AC only, 60 Hz. To charge, insert the charger plug into the charging port on the mower, making sure it is properly connected. Make sure both the charger and mower connections are clean and free of dirt or debris. Do not charge in an area of extreme heat or cold. Remove the charger from the mower once it is fully charged and ready for use. To avoid accidental starting or movement of the mower that could result in death or serious personal injury, always remove the start key and set the parking brake when leaving the mower unattended. Always connect the mower to the charger when the unit is not in use. If it is not possible to leave the mower charger connected, make sure to charge the batteries fully at least once a month. Testing the safety interlock system. This mower features a safety interlock system to protect the operator by shutting off the blades if the operator leaves the seat with the blades running. Test the system to be sure it is working correctly. To test, position the mower on a level surface. Set the parking brake. Make sure the joystick is in the neutral position and the blade engage knob is down. Install the start key and turn to the on position. Raise the blade engage knob to activate the blades. Briefly lift off the seat, but do not get off the mower. The blades should shut off within 5 seconds. If they don't, verify you connected the safety interlock cable as described in Install the Seat. If the cable is connected, but the system still does not function, contact RYOBI customer service. Do not operate the mower until the safety interlock system has been repaired. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.